For the paperclip rings, I use the 28mm regular size paperclip. You need a round form, so a marker or a ring cone, and your tools. If you don't have paper clips, the best thing to use is stainless steel wire. This is 20 gauge. It's quite stiff, just like the paper clips. You can use 20 gauge tarnish resistant brass, tinned copper, or any half hard wire. And if you only have a softer wire, use a little thicker, like 18 gauge. We always start with opening up the paper clip with our flat pliers. You can do this by hand, but it's easier to do with the pliers. So just go slowly and pinch it along as you go. You just want to get it as straight as you can. So now we'll just take our round pliers. We're going to bend this one around in a kind of teardrop shape, and then take our flat pliers, bend this straight across, bend this up and around and out. And then to make the duck's beak, we're going to take our flat pliers, bend this to the back, give it a good little pinch, bring this one down, curve this with the round pliers, and then kind of bend it around a little bit. Bring that right around, adjust it as you need. There's your little duck. Take your round form, bring it around. So we'll just curve that one out a little bit to follow the shape of the finger. Just wiggle this a little bit in place, and there's your cute little duck ring. I made another one with the wing slightly larger. It looks a little bit more like a wing, so you could play around with the size and the shape.